Hello everyone, this is Kevin with Ballen Brands, and today I'm going to show you the improved account management interface for your IDX leads, and I'll show you how to activate it on your website. If you use IDX Broker, this video is for you. The My Account section is where your website leads can save property searches and their favorite properties. IDX Broker has released an improved version of this with a modern look. Here's a side-by-side view of the original My Account page and the new improved version. For those of you that have a Brew website, we've added style support to the Brew WordPress theme, so the links and buttons in this area will automatically match your website. Activating this new interface is easy. Log into your IDX Broker account. In the top menu, click Designs, Pages. Locate the My Account page and click the Edit link in the Layout column. Locate the template titled My Listings Manager and click Activate. And that's all there is to it. When your IDX leads log into their account on your website, they'll now see the improved interface. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos and tutorials, and we'll see you next time.